Derry Girls is a Northern Irish sitcom created and written by Lisa McGee. Produced by British production company Hat Trick Productions and starring a predominantly Northern Irish cast, the show is set in Derry, Northern Ireland, in the 1990s. It premiered on 4 January 2018 on Channel 4. Production of a second series began later that year on 8 October 2018. The show follows the lives of Erin, Saoirse-Monica Jackson, her cousin Orla, Louisa Harland, and their friends Clare, Nicola Coughlan, Michelle, Jamie Lee O'Donnell, and Michelle's English cousin, James, Dylan Llewellyn, as they navigate their teens in Derry during the Troubles. Cast: Saoirse-Monica Jackson as Erin Quinn, Nicola Coughlan as Clare Devlin, Louisa Harland as Orla McCool, Jamie Lee O'Donnell as Michelle Mallon, Dylan Llewellyn as James McGuire, Tara Lynn O'Neill as Mom Mary, Kathy Kiera Clark as Aunt Sarah, Siobhan McSweeney as Sister Michael, Tommy Tiernan as Dog Jerry, Ian McElhinney as Granda Joe, Anthony Boyle as David Donnelly, Leo Rourke as Jenny Joyce, David Ireland as Sean Devlin. Episodes. Reception. Derry Girls became Channel 4's biggest new comedy for nearly 5 years, premiering with viewing figures of 2.79 million. It was the most watched series in Northern Ireland since modern records began in 2002, being watched by an average of 519,000 viewers with a 64.2% share of the audience. The show received many positive reviews. Una Mullally of the Irish Times praised the series. "The writing in Derry Girls is sublime, the performance is perfect, the casting is brilliant." On 11 January 2018, after the first episode had aired, the show was renewed for a second series. Each episode was watched by over 2 million people. At the end of the first series, Barbara Ellen of The Guardian wrote that it evoked such shows as The Inbetweeners, Father Ted and Bad Education. On 31 July 2018, the show won the Radio Times Comedy Champion Award after an intensely close battle with Inside Number 9. Derry Girls received 462,946 votes, while Inside Number 9 got 461,140. At the 2018 IFTA Gala Television Awards, Derry Girls won Best Comedy and Lisa McGee won Best Writer, Comedy Soap. References. External links. Derry Girls on IMDb. Derry Girls at British Comedy Guide.